Hi, everyone. If you've been feeling worried and stressed, unfocused, and anxious about the state of the world,
Welcome to Chi Mastery with Eileen Jong. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
I wanted to share a little preview of something I'll be offering at the end of each day during my upcoming Santa Cruz 2-day Qigong workshop on April 25th and 26th. Along with the 6 Healing Sounds Qigong practice, I'll be closing each day with a guided crystal singing bowl healing session. These sounds will help your body and nervous system to settle, release, and integrate everything we've practiced. If you've been feeling stressed, tense, and just needing a reset, this is a very simple and powerful way to allow your system to come back into balance. And this workshop will also be happening during the World Tai Chi and Qigong Day weekend. So we'll be practicing together as part of the global theme of one world, one breath. And it's a beautiful way to reconnect, not just with yourself, but with the larger flow of qi happening all around the world. If you feel called to this, I'd love to have you join us. You can find the details and reserve your spot through the link below. And now, here's a little music, crystal healing bowls, healing session treat for you. I'd love for you to join us. So go ahead and sign up in the link below. And if you are an active member of the Chi Mastery app, you'll get 40% off the in person session that weekend. Email me and let's get started. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Continue your healing journey with any of these videos.